into a space where comfort meets functionality and every corner tells a story. Hi, you're watching House Match in partnership with Villarde Realty. I'm Ayana Marie Onorba, your host. Today, we are not just touring a house, we are exploring a potential home designed to inspire and embrace the lifestyle you have been dreaming of. So, let's now begin the journey and see how it could be the perfect fit for you. Let's go. We are currently inside an exclusive subdivision here in Dayao City. With that being said, there is no need for a gate or wall surrounding the property. I personally find this property really cozy, perfect for a small family. So this is your lawn area. You can put your plants here if you like, and this is your main entrance, featuring a solid wooden door with a peephole. When you enter, the first thing you'll see is the living area. So this place features two couches with two windows at the back, allowing natural light to easily seep in. A central place table makes the area both functional and inviting. So this place is perfect for casual conversations or simply enjoying a peaceful moment with yourself, offering a warm and welcoming atmosphere for you and your guests. Now let's head over to the dining area, which features a beautiful rectangular 8-seater dining table. The centerpiece of this space features an elegant mirror, allowing the space to feel more open and spacious. Beside our dining table is our storage area, which you can customize according to your needs. As you head over to the kitchen area, you are greeted by this elegant chandelier. And this space features a sink, a counter, and some storage space for your kitchen utensils. Right over here, you can place your refrigerator, your stove, or anything that can make your kitchen functional. So right over here is a door that leads to the backyard of your house, which features a built-in sink. Right over here is a toilet and bath, which includes a toilet, an open shower space, and a sink. That is it for the first floor of the house. But before we head up to the second floor, please make sure to give us a like, share, and follow. Now let's head up to the second floor. Here you have a solid wooden steps with a painted white underside. So as you go up, you are greeted by 3 stairs. At your right, we have here the first bedroom. It is already equipped with a single bed and a cabinet, making it a cozy option for a child's bedroom. This next room is your primary bedroom. This primary bedroom is all about comfort and functionality. On both sides, you'll find storage for clothing and a vanity for storage. The centerpiece of this space, of course, is the cozy bed, paired with elegant curtains that add a bit of sophistication. Personally, when I entered this room, first thing that caught my eyes were the curtains. But of course, you can still personalize this space however you want. Over here, right behind the door, we have our bathroom. This room is very spacious. It has an enclosed shower space and a toilet. And finally, for the final door of this room, my personal favorite is the balcony. Let's go. It's a perfect spot to start your day with a cup of coffee or wind down in the evening after work or before bed while watching the stars. And that is it for our second floor. But before we have a short recap, please enjoy watching this beautiful view this house has to offer. that concludes our tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring this wonderful property and seeing all the features it has to offer. For a short recap, we have here a Prince Model A with 202 square meters of lot area and 80 square meters of floor area. The first floor contains the living area, dining area, kitchen, storage area, and a toilet and bath. The second floor contains 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a balcony. Again, we are right here located at Westlake Villa Subdivision, Dio, Ross City. And this property has a price of 7.2 million pesos. If you are interested, please message us at our Facebook channel, House Match, or contact us directly with the details down below. If you want to see more property tours, please don't forget to like, share, and follow. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I am Ayana Marie Onorba, your host. Until next time, stay safe and invest wisely.